So there's this YouTuber that I really like. It's like Techie89_8 or something like that. And he makes like VR. Yeah. And like he's sort of like my YouTube channel. Pretty good. No one really likes his videos, so I just wish we could collab. Because that would be fun. Because I've never done a collab before. And I don't even have a good like mic. I don't have a mic to talk to other people. Because I don't think most people have mics. I usually just play with my brother because I can sit next to him. But if I could do a collab with any of you guys that have a YouTube channel, that would be nice. My YouTube channel, YouTube name, I'm gonna type in chat so you guys can see it. See, that's my YouTube channel. That's my Roblox username. So, you guys should check his channel out because he's awesome and no one else sees that. And I think we're pretty close friends. Even though he's not met me, I think we should be pretty friends. Maybe if he comments on this video, like maybe we're like the same age-ish. Or like what grade he goes into. So I am going to 3rd grade. So yeah. Bye.